Hey, I'm Luke Godwin, owner of Godwin Motors, and today I want to talk about windshield wiper blades. They're very important. With the rain we've had in South Carolina here lately, you got to make sure your windshield wiper blades are good to go. When do we need to replace our windshield wiper blade? That's probably on your mind. Every 6 months, every 2 oil changes or so, get them to check it, make sure. But every 6 months, go ahead and throw a set on there, and they're very cheap. I think we charge like 16 bucks a piece installed. So if you haven't done it in a while, let's go out and check our car and see what we got. The real easy way to figure out if your wiper blades need to be replaced is grab one little end and see if it shreds. If it shreds, you need a set of wiper blades. If they're going back and forth on the car and they're making a lot of noise, then you need to replace them. If they're not cleaning the windshield, you need to replace them. If you look at all our cars before we sell them, we make sure we check them. We make sure that they're working properly. If not, they're replaced. It's just part of our inspection. Go out there and check your windshield wiper blades and stay safe on the road. Thanks.